Hello there, this is Juan Carlos Gonzalez in Office Apps and Services MVP. First of all, I hope all of you are okay, and now I'm going to introduce the topic for today's video. In today's video, I will show you how you can make the user's data anonymous in the Microsoft 365 Users Report or in the Microsoft 365 Usage Analytics. Indeed, in any solution that takes or displays users data, usage data coming from Microsoft 365, the same setting is going to apply. So let's go to the demo. So here I am in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and in order to make anonymous the user data in the usage reports or in the Microsoft 365 Usage Analytics, the only thing I had to do is just to go to Org Settings, under Settings, and then I had to look forward in the Services tab for reports. Here we go. And then the only thing I had to do is just to be sure that this option is checked. In all reports, display the identified names for users, groups, and sites. And that's all. In this way, we are making anonymous users data, but also groups and sites, or even teams. So if I browse any of the user usage reports we have in Microsoft 365, we are going to see how this works. So I'm going to click on usage. For instance, I'm going to browse any of the Microsoft Teams reports we have in the usage reports in the Teams in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So let's look for Teams. I'm trying to look for Teams. Wait a minute. Stay with me, please. So this is Schedule for Business Activity. This is Yammer, Office Activations. Well, okay, here we are. Microsoft Teams Activity. So we can click on View More, not a lot of activity. This is a demo tenant, not problem. And here, as you can see, the username is completely anonymous. So as you can see, the setting works pretty well. And the same happens, for instance, if we go to the usage reports we have in this admin center. So let's check it. If I click on Teams and I go to the Teams reports we have in this admin center. So analytics and reports, usage reports. We select, for instance, Teams usage. Select for the last 90 days. I want to run the report. As you can see here, yeah, you are seeing the names of the teams. Let's make another period. Yeah, the teams are completed reports, but teams user activity should be anonymous. So if we click on run report, sorry, yeah, as you can see here, the data is also anonymous. So this is a global setting, so it applies not only to user data in the Microsoft 365 usage report, but also in the Teams user report and also in the Microsoft 365 user reports. So that's all. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, just in case you want to be up to date to any new content I produce around Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint Online, or any of the core workloads we have in Microsoft 365. So that's all for today. Please stay safe and take care. Bye bye.